So we are going to the dog beach right now.
Yeah.
That's okay.
You guys ready? Huh? You ready?
You Susan.
Oh, that one's really pretty. It's like pink. Look at that. It's got like pink on it.
Oh, she jumps up to get my arms.
Aww. Derby! You sissy. You sissy.
Yeah.
Hi, so we just went to Boston Market and we got our food. We didn't eat there, we got to go because we got these doggies, and now my mom's going there because apparently Boston Market has a deal where if you buy a meal after 5 p.m. you get a free Blockbuster movie. So I got a ticket to go get it, so we're checking that out right now. The beach, there was like no one there and it was humid, it had just rained. So we cut it short. We were only there for about half an hour and now we are going to head home, eat, and I will inform you. Have you guys ever gone to Boston Market? I don't know if they have a Boston Market where you guys are. I don't know. Is it like just a local thing or what? But it's Boston Market. So good. Oh my gosh. I got mac and cheese, stuffing, sweet potatoes, cornbread, and a brownie. And a Coke. So I got a new fish to replace the one that disappeared magically. Now he's just adapting to the water. I'm gonna name it Midnight. I just realized it was a lot like this one. I should have got the silver one. I should have, but I didn't. Cause you got a lot of black on you. You used to be really white. Now you got a lot of black. I'm gonna have to look at old videos because I think you got more black. Instinct said to get the silver and I didn't. You're just chilling out. Okay, here we go. Wait, where's my new fish thing? I have to take the fish vacuum. Oh, by the way, fish is in here. Where is he? Where? There he is. We're chilling out in here. Hey guys. And my bed of fish is in there, swimming happily. Oh my goodness. We had thing. This bed of fish got stuffed up in the vacuum and we had to get him out. I hope he's okay. And I have a cave thing in here. And they almost dropped it on Dalmatian. I don't know if I hit him or not, but he seems to be fine. He, she, I don't know. Unless I have no bones. This bed of fish right here is my baby. I hope this one's okay. I literally was bawling my eyes out. I thought I killed him. I mean. They probably hate me. I don't know if they think it's what I thought or not. Oh my gosh, I hate that. I can't believe I did it, honestly. Oh my gosh, this is a American thing. He got stuffed up in there because I wasn't thinking, and I forgot to take them out first, because I honestly didn't think it was that powerful. I thought if they got sucked up, they were just going to come right out, and I forgot. I'm almost done cleaning the tank. It's really out, so I don't take a shower. I'm going to RJ's tomorrow. And this is the tank as of right now. I put sea salt in it, so I'm waiting for that to dissolve. Do you like sea salt? That's what the fish store said. So yes, and I got the little toy today. Now I'm just walking around the house doing what I don't know. I'm upset. I am generally upset. I am upset because I almost killed 2 more fish. And I get really attached to animals. Oh, and I found the fish that was supposedly missing. Was dead. It was hiding in the cave, and that was really sad. I almost screamed and cried, and I flushed him. That was just very sad. But at least I know where he is now. I don't know what was wrong with him. He was probably sick before I got him, but Midnight's dead. At least now I know he can jump out of the tank. But yeah, so I cleaned the fish tank. This is a sad moment right now. My nerves are going off. I haven't taken my Zoloft in 2 days, which is not good. I forgot to take it yesterday, and I can't take it right now because it's too late, and I forgot to take it earlier. This is not good. My nerves are on edge, and then this shit happens, and I'm just like gonna have a panic attack, which is not fun. I'm walking in my dark closet, so I'm gonna go because my arm hurts, and I'm gonna finish this up. Put them in their tank, and I gotta see if the salt's dissolved. I don't see it in there. Maybe it's dissolved. I don't see it in there. So I'm gonna go put them in their tank and get everything set up again, and put them back in there and let them recuperate from this. I just fed them yesterday. Should I give them a little bit of food to calm them down, maybe? and I hope that they don't die. So sad. Cheer me up in the comments, please. I need it. I need it really badly. All done.